Follow me this time.
Where are we going?
We're gonna rush.
Where?
Straight into the.
That?
Yeah.
That first one?
Yeah, we're just right into it.
What if they get in there first?
They're not. They were way over there. That's just right there.
Anyone else gonna go to the middle building? No one? Anyone else gonna go to the middle building? We're just go to right.
We need to take a building first and then move up.
I know.
We're gonna go straight into the.
I'm not.
Bunker.
You can get shot.
The bunker?
Yeah, the bunker, yeah. We'll see.
Go, go!
Move up, I'll cover you. Where's Will?
Alright, go.
Who are they?
They're over there. No, no, no. This is like castle practice.
Whoa! Hey, what team are you on? Armband or no?
Armband.
Armband?
Yeah.
Okay, me too.
Alright. Cool. I got this one to cover if you guys say. Be friendly. Friendly's upstairs. Alright.
And then where is he?
You know that little building right there? The house in the window? Yeah, window in the small house. Tony, watch out. Window, small house left.
Okay.
Son, watch the front. Hey, no. There's one on the left, no, the front. There's another window. I'll watch it. That front.
Got one. I got one.
Front side, front side. On three side. Alternate fire, guys.
Sushi spot's down. I'm left-handed. Get down.
Hey, which window is he at?
Right in front building, right in front of us.
He's in the
That's the right window, that's the right window.
You can't shoot him.
Okay.
Go.
He's unshootable.
Okay.
I don't see anybody.
Switch.
See anybody?
Check out the people that are on the out.
And then watch out, you might take friendly fire if that happens often.
Yeah. Someone is now.
Window.
No one's out, but someone really doesn't like me.
Which window, Will?
The front one.
Which one? What side?
The top side. I don't know, I just saw it coming from that window. I don't freaking know.
AJ!
I'm three guys shoot.
Yo, AJ!
We can't shoot. Do you have a view of him?
What?
Get down and come
Go on
right.
right window
We're
stairs.
gonna both shoot at the same time.
Alright. Will, you want to get into a different spot?
Yeah.
Alright, wait, not yet. When I move up and start shooting, move where I am, okay? 3, 2, 1. Alright, we're good. Paint check. You good? Will, how much ammo you got? You good?
What?
How much ammo do you got? You good?
Oh, yeah, I'm about low ammo. I'm not low enough that I can't fight though.
I wish we still had that flashlight. We can see where the fire's coming from.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
It's on.
You go into the
If I cover you, you want to move right there?
Sure.
3, 2.
Yeah, you lost me.
Cody, give me some suppressing fire so I can see where it is.
Zion's got you.
No, not that. I need that window so that I can get that one look without being shot on the heat.
Alright.
Just get up there and start shooting. 1, 2.
Top right window. Top right window. It's an easy shot. Switch me spots. I'm left-handed.
Alright, let's
Hey,
get
they're
this.
coming behind us. Check this window.
Alright, Zion, check the window. On 3. 1, 2. Did we get him?
Nope.
On
Wait, no. Wait. Wait till they forget about us. Zion, whatever you do, do not peek your head out.
Wait a second. You got the staircase got out. I'm gonna have to go and take the
He did? He got shot?
Yeah. Our SEAL Team 6 operator down.
Here, I'll go move up and cover.
I'll cover your... No, lay down. I'm not going to peek up.
No, Will. No. They're gonna shoot quick for you.
We need someone there.
I'm gonna go there. Yeah, right? You guys cover me, okay?
Yeah, just go.
Just run through.
No, it's not gonna get you from back.
Shoot at them.
Alright, well, let's stay down. We don't need both of us getting shot. Ready, Zion? Oh, fuck. 3,
We have a better chance of taking it if we walk out.
3, 2, 1. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. Well, but my freaking thing fell out though.
No, one of them's still good. I'll toss it. Cody tossed it to him.
Roll to me.
I don't know if it'll roll on this carpet. Oh, knew it.
Fuck. And
Just pick it up. I'll cover you. 1.
for now.
Oh, yeah, never mind.
Will cover me. I'm going to go look downstairs.
Oh,
Where's the other one?
just crawl out.
You guys do the other one.
It's all over the place, dude. There's nothing watching it.
Watch them in the canister.
Alright, Cody, throw it to him. Since you're right back next to it. Or not. Whatever.
Will, give me the canister.
Alright. Well, how's it that I didn't right there?
Because it doesn't have a bunch of balls weighing it down. Move your knees just in case.
He can't shoot me.
Alright. You said we have something behind us.
Hello?
That's the color they're supposed to be using.
Are they friendly, Zion? Zion.
I couldn't find any. I couldn't find any. I didn't see anybody. Just keep looking down on staircase.
You may be trying to get up. You guys want to move down the door area and just throw in?
Armband or no?
What?
Armband or no?
Do you have an armband?
Huh?
Do you have an armband?
Yes.
Well, get up here, man. We need your help.
He doesn't feel like getting shot. I thought you told me you got out.
Yeah,
He just went downstairs.
Get down. Again. Every fucking 5 minutes.
I got you, Will. Hold on.
Everyone move down to the lower level and get up here.
Are they friendly? Which direction are they facing?
These are the last ones left, guys.
No, we have still... We got those guys downstairs.
I know, man. There's no one outside of the building. Oh,
I don't know, but we're locked down, so.
you want to try and get to the building?
No,
Alright.
I don't.
Here, you want to fire through this window so I can try and see. Just keep firing until I get you. And you like.
Bottom left floor, bottom left.
Four.
There's like a huge opening. That's all I gotta pick up.
You want to take a shot at him?
That's game. Alright.